Hey guys, so this is the big bend on the Bronco. This is second from the bottom in terms of our trim levels. So what you're looking at here is something that you won't find in a lot of vehicles in the industry, but yes, that is a 7-speed manual. So what that also means is there's 3 pedals down there, not just 2. So this is the real deal. That comes mated to the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbo. You've seen that before in the Mustang. On the Bronco, we're pumping out 270 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. So you've got a lot of power, and especially considering that this is a base engine, there's nothing wrong with that. Another thing that we should touch on is the top. So the 4-door comes standard with the convertible top. It's very easy to do. There's 3 different positions. Position 1 consists of 2 levers. You can do this all with one hand. Up and over, that's position 1. It's good to go. Now, if you want full convertible, there's another lever right here. After you take the rear glass out, which again is very easy. It's Velcro clips and they slide right out. Hit this lever, push it back, it locks into place, and now you're ready for open air driving.